Hello friends, I'm Shweta Ahuja and I have created this video tutorial especially for students. So today we'll learn that after logging onto Microsoft Teams, how students can quickly get on board with it. So after login, they'll find this page which will show the number of teams that student is part of. So right now this student is part of 2 teams. You can consider these teams as classes. So to enter inside this class, I'll click on it and I can see that this class is further divided into channels. These channels can be your subjects or group of students. It all depends upon how your teacher has divided the team. By default, this general channel will be part of all the teams. This is a common discussion area in which your classmates, your teachers, or you can share resources, you can share your ideas or do general classroom discussion. Also under this post tab, you will find notifications about your virtual classes. So let's come on to this mathematics subject. Under this post tab, I can see that I already have this link of the math class. On the top of which it is written, we will cover unit 2 in this class, please be on time. This is a message by your teacher and below it is a link to attend that class. You can also see the details of the class. This class will start on 27th April at 10 am. To join this class, you simply need to click this link. It will bring you to a page where you can find this join option. To join that class, you will click on this join option and then click on join now. It is a good practice to always mute your microphone before joining. You can join, click on join. And this brings you to your virtual classroom. So right now only you are the participant here, but if you'll click this link on April 27th at 10 am, you will find that your other class members and your teachers will also join this session. In this show participants icon, I can see who all are attending this class. Next is this conversation part. I can see that the teacher's message about this class is already showing here. If you want to add on something, if you want to ask any query, or mostly the teachers use this meeting chat option to take attendance. So if your teacher asks you to write your roll number, you can do that. Okay, you can mute or unmute your microphone from here, or you can turn off your camera or turn on your camera from here. This button is the hang up button. If you want to leave the meeting, you will click on this button. Okay, so this brings us back into the team, but students, you should never click on this join link before or after the scheduled timings, as your teachers get this notifications that which student is attending that class or joining that class at what time. So you should always click on this join link at the specified time given by your teacher. Now coming back to this general channel, under this files tab, you will find the resources which will be uploaded by your teachers or your class members. Under this class material specifically, this is the folder which will be used by your class teachers to upload the read-only files. All the files which will be uploaded here in this folder will be read-only files. You will be able to access those files, but you will not be able to edit those files. Under the assignment tabs, you can see the number of assignments which will be assigned to you by your teachers. It can be the subjective assignment or it can be in the form of a quiz. If enabled by your school, you will get this chat feature in which you can do one-to-one chatting by typing the name of the teacher or the name of the student here. You can write your message, you can compose your message. Next is this activity tab. This activity feed is a summary of everything that's happening in your team or the channels you are part of. So students, I hope this video will be helpful to you for your online learning. Good luck to you all, and you all can like and subscribe this channel so that you will get notification about the coming videos You can learn more about Microsoft Teams from the coming videos. Take care. Bye bye.